Hello friends, today is the 7th day of Flutter and today we are going to see text widget and text field widget. So we have used text widget earlier also, but in this video we are going to see the properties or styling provided by the text widget. So text widget is basically used to show or print some string on our application screen. Now we can also provide some decoration or styling to our text or string by using the properties or attributes provided by the text widget. Similarly, we are having text field widget, which is basically used to take input from user. So it is also known as text input widget. So whenever we want to take inputs from the user, we basically or we can say commonly use this widget. Now this widget is also used for searching purpose or for creating a form or such like purpose. So these are the two widgets which we are going to see in this video. So now let's jump to the coding part. So this is the app on which we are going to work. So I will create the body of our scaffold. So just use this body property. Now I am going to use this text widget. Now inside that I am writing some text. Now just hit Ctrl S. Now you can see that this string is visible at the top left corner of our body. So now we can also give some styling to this text or string by using the style property. So we can use this text style function and we can use the properties provided by this function. So first property is color. So we can give any color to our text. So here we have changed the color of our text. Now we are going to increase the size of our text. So here it is. Now we can also specify the styling or we can give some styling to our string. So now it converted to italic. Now we can also specify the font weight property. Here is the all attributes that are provided by this text style function. So you can use any of this property. So I am going to use font weight property. So just now you can increase or decrease the weight of your text by just changing these numbers. Like you can decrease the weight of your string by specifying or by changing this weights. Just use Ctrl and S. You can see the changes. Now you can also provide some background to this string. For that you have to use this background color property. Now just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see that the text is having its background color as yellow. Now just increase. Now you can give the letter spacing to the text, and also you can give the word spacing. Just hit Ctrl and S. So you can see the changes. You can increase this spacing also and can have a look. So these are the commonly used, we can say, property of this text widget. Now you can send this widget at the center of your page. So here we have changed the alignment of our text. Now we can also give some shadow to our text. I just use shadow function. Now we have used this property earlier also inside the container widget. So similarly in here also we can use the color and opacity features. Now just give this offset. Now you can give the offset according to your requirement. So just give it to some. Now you can see the changes. If you will increase this offset value, like if, then the shadow and the string will be separated like this. So keep this offset as much as less. Now you can see. So this is the text widget which we have used. Similarly, one another widget is also there, that is rich text widget, in which we are using text pen widget to separate its different to create different string in a same text. Like if we are having two word hello and coders, and we want to separate this both word, then we can use this rich text widget. So just convert this center to column widget. Now you can specify the children. Just cut it from here. Now you can paste it over here. Now just create another widget, that is rich text. Inside this widget we can separate two words which are available in a single line. So this type of thing can be done using this rich text. Just use this property text and use the function text span. Okay, here is that. Now inside that, first text will be hello, and now we are going to specify children. So that will be also the text pen. Inside that we are going to use text span method to specify the other text, which is coders. So this is how we can separate two words. Like you can see hello and coders. Now how you can separate this two word. So give some padding from all the side. Now first of all we are going to give some styling to this. Now this is one of the we can say feature provided by this rich text, that if we are having two words in a single text, then if we want to provide different styling to both the word, that can be applied or that can be performed using this rich text rich text widget. So just give style to first, like I am going to give the color as yellow to the first word, and I will give blue color to the second text. Just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see the difference between the the property provided inside this text widget, that the styling applied or styling used in this text widget is allowed to all or is given to all the words, while in text rich text widget we can separate the styling by using this text span with method. Now we can also specify the other styling property like font size, font style. All that property we can assign to this rich text styling also. Now we can also use some different properties that are available inside this, which is this recognizer, and we have used the children property earlier also. So these are the extra features which we can say provided by this rich text widget. Now we are going to use the text field widget. So this widget is basically used for taking inputs from the user. We can also give some decoration to this widget, and for that we are going to use input decoration property. Now we can give border to our we can also give some border to our uh, text field widget, and we can specify that what kind of border we want, so that user can see that border or not. So for that, first of all I am going to give input border dot none. Now label text should be a name, and in text should be enter your name. Now just hit Ctrl S. Now you can see this is the text field which is created. Now here user can insert values like uh, on just clicking this text field, the label text comes at the top of the widget, and the hint is provided inside this. Now we can enter our name. So this is normally the uses of this widget. Now we can also provide border to this. I just hit Control and S. Now you can see that border is provided to our widget. Now what we can do, we can specify some padding to this widget. So just hit Control and S. Now you can have some padding. Now you can also increase this. Here is this. Now you can have this type of text field. Now this is the normally widget or text field in which we can see what user is typing. Like whenever we create form, so in that we are having password field. So we want that the password should not be visible to anyone. So for that we can specify the we can use this property of secure text. Now on specifying it as true, it will become secure. So now the user can't see what he or she have typed. So this is the property which are available inside this text field widget. So these are the properties we can say, or these are the widget we can use for creating or for using in our application. So this is all about this video.